Scratches in your face.
You're trying to fall asleep.
Yeah, scratching your face. What's this, Gus? What's this?
Camera.
Let's see. The camera?
No.
No? What is it? Open it? What is it?
Tennis racket.
Tennis racket. That's right. Wow. You got tennis racket. You got ball. Go get ball.
Well, you're waiting for the ball.